And your school our call and a church you are matured. Okay. And then you can be a one get it and a church and your masters be out here and your PhD be out here and a church we are matured. So what I say, maturity no, it's understanding of life, how life is and how people are. Even if work for school and share maturity be at a level of like at a level of your educational, you somehow pick certain things, and you make it applicable to your life, which also describe maturity on your part. So what I say.
For a year, I was sent to Donna, see a war a year, our real muna. In pain for can't say this our real no pine worry. No, send the available our real pound worry, and just away they will bring once. And I need to say, a year deputy general secretary, former general secretary for NDC, Mr. Kwaku, I do hope, and I hear Cassie what to one injury, while worrying on anyone who fret to. One couple dear 50, now the book I and I sent you, which I say, papi. Was to say any bow free way, sito, a mamma, your coon, when saying, a year, mammy, and in bay to quack or Bemay, former deputy general secretary for NDC, we croaked on coin, on mobile, and on Mubeshia, yak, when she can see a pie or accusé. And more now, copy war, accusé hospital. Now I know and a bad man, I want to start any actions, no. I mean, 79 some I'm you can banner with free mono. Now I know it, no, a year or banner, a year I have a sabia. I want round, banning accident, I want to cry one that year, and now I'm or no or crack crutches. Native for in some good one, any emunchi, just or banner casa about a babe casani, see a accident, nature, and man accusing the said. One and I will a and baba connected for your video no and number.
Driver to bring some of my things without anyone's knowledge, and the marriage has not been dissolved officially. I don't know what he's trying to say. Yes. Because I was not in. I have told you I've gotten an apartment. So I was there yesterday trying to sort out things. Before my 78-year-old woman called me that a car is here, a Kia truck is here with some few things that Anidoho said they should bring it.
Where were you?
I was at the apartment, where I've gotten the apartment, yes. Okay. And I said, she shouldn't take it because we don't know where the things are coming from. And we don't know what and what has been given to him. And there's no one in the house to do inventory of the items brought. So you shouldn't take it. So I asked her, I wanted to talk to the driver, and the mate collected the phone. The only thing the mate will say is, Mumfa mukwasi ya 7 and so yeso. Na me boss. Se me mfani ya manembra mi bedu hana so munjia yemfangu street no so.
That's what the maid told you?
Yes. Mfengu street no so. So you know, as a mother, 78 years old woman, for you to split her daughter's things on the street, it is very, very hurts, very, very annoying that at least no respect, nothing that he will show. What is my crime? And just come and dump my things on the floor. A mere driver, which we don't know, an intruder. And I even asked him to take it back from wherever he's bringing it from.
Did you call Koku?
No, I didn't. Because I still have my keys, my room keys. I still have them with me.
Why didn't you call him to ascertain what was happening?
I called his elder brother, who we discuss issues with about how to come and take off my things from his house. He's the one I called. He said he doesn't know anything about it. So he will call me back.
But why didn't you call the man who gave the orders for your things to be taken from your matrimonial home?
I won't call him because he doesn't respect me. I won't call him. If he respects me as his children's mom, not even a wife, your baby's mama, you will call me, you will give me that little respect, apart from anything.
It's for Ushe video, yeah, Ushe interview, yeah, also a was in the interview, also, I want to accusing the wife, baby. Now, NC1 or accusing his own or GA and abandoning one feelings, or require accidents. Now, it's here, or we or South Suma, yeah, driver, or then a communicator, boy, dinner chest, and some more catching the data for now and send fata. And Rachel was so my driver, some point in your mind, baby, or the Bogobana, so the baby, Pia, one figurative for a seven children. Every year, a clear brony package, brony, or for me, send for so, and 7 years, you ever don't to call. A clear, a probation. Send me fine, don't call me. I the cocoa dear boo. You want to be fine to tell when you're background dinner for what she also have right. Now, if you are shame interview, yeah, there might be your just say, I will send. It's so heartbreaking. Just this kind of experiences needed to me and what you be. We're not so many years and move back. Now, more accident, see. Accident will be no accident. So, that is a sign being an actual year, my dear. Some men are 1 year at the floor, and when you power bang, now, or teenage, not the amount. That's the raining one. I want to, yeah, accuse you. Some raining a year, but yet just a poor. Now, Usha, not let one swallow, eh, papa. Nini ya woye ne kwanso anu.
Me say as I remember as music ma me fa e chia kese na ma ahwefo na me ba as music me say okuna kasa aware na no all page na say ma me no ayofu so bi ana it's related to or stand bi no nya any stand bi original asem so na me ko ma me na drive car and am so no ko na drive here yenim say accident ba say kaka ehyan accident make ehyan that is a car wo
yeah
that say accident be ba wo bia yenim say go ha cars na manfo tu na omo ntai ehwe car bi nti bet me ba say their maintenance want to be necessary na say dia obi messing out something which or not as I said about so you need the exact person or driving that particular car and I'm need say oba any kunu wa car ba ku de nya age oba na beje car na driving obviously be man no was a member di or no beje car na driving into me need na nti a obegina bibi so na or they blaming the wife me say wa ku school wa ku echipa na emomu nkola adwin e wo chimnyansa no on say because any school bia I don't know me ba show so na kasa ka to say any school wa ko and so you are matured okay and then people bia wa get it and just and your masters bia we get and your PhD bia we and so we are matured. So what I say, maturity, no, it's understanding of life, how life is, and how people are. Oh, there are certain things that people pick, every life or nature, or nobody making it applicable to the life. And sure said, yes, this person is mature. Yes, for cookies, we say, it means say, he's not mature. And after school no coin or the trap, you know, maturity is not something that is taught. no one teaches man. Or be a friend back class and mature or sure how to be mature to know. It's something that you picked out of life. So what I say, go for P, school, but I think that certain people are able to, even if work for school and share maturity be at a level of your educational, you somehow pick certain things, and you make it applicable to your life, which also describe maturity on your part. So what I say. Inti akame I say kokun ni case no maturity work you after school no kwai no kon tra kwa won so
say o ti o ka se ma say involve people when so ya first statement na say ebi your side chick be like the bisa come
say ha but who sure about phone man look at this beautiful lady now after so we are talking about a woman who is a mother to your children. Now, a sense is who is going to Mammy around 1 year, 9 good months. Actually, my Amasha, woman, I also refuse to outward man. No, I not only one of that shop. Anyway, what struggle for this kid after this time? No, woman's side. It doesn't even make sense.
No, accident.
Say, I'm not blaming woman. Say, woman is responsible for the death of the child. No, like I said, mommy paying or for this long. I can't change. I will never be seen. I worry all of this time. In our people or whatever. Oh, are we are actually in case they who we are a Bemania position or say, I didn't get it my once they know. What's it? Women are involving a whole lot in their marital life. So
I say they are auntie and a bear manufacturing too. Like you go far because of a woman.
A woman, yes.
Yes, and
I'm saying sometimes when it comes to children, men all they do is pay off the money. So but when it comes to more of the sacrifice, every man, you never share Polan, you never move Diana, you go back to anybody. You go to Juma, Bank of a share a Polan, the bishops of Polan, I say, the Juma on school, or bishops of more bands for them. And she said, I'm a woman who's benefited from all the money and shows necessary. And son of Planet and Richard Fan, on the end of the Knuckles when we need another one. So, already do a best struggle for this one who you are something here, the banner to home. It's the person who is going to struggle in this particular time. I know about you understand? It's he should be a man enough. This is the time our wife need you. You should be a man enough to be there for your wife. And this is not the time to desert your wife.
Okay. Yeah, she say you. Yeah, they say, Mr. Quickly, I don't know. Odone Bano Bros, where you says, and Osawa Don, and Amaminia, a year or Yausa. Now, I saw to die stream. If you say, yeah, sure. Now saying the interview was on a yen another. One thing. Emma, another could be saying a Nigerian crash and map or Cadell, so reach the studio. Now, I don't know what say you will be the way I will react to me. It is the way I or no idea, one bunny free or reacting to that extent, say even to public. You act that way in a young system. Actions to a system. We are talking about a woman that is responsible, or a woman or and more so what kind of example are you setting up for this young girl you have there? You understand? It's because me I said coffee switch of it before they didn't have free one nowadays
okay. See, me say what kind of example? Say, I can say, kids they look up to their parents. The things that you do, children are fast learners, and the things that they pick during when they are child, is what they happen to live by. That that becomes their principle, that becomes their belief, and that is what they stand by most of the time to make certain judgments in their life. It's all your parents now all certain all your parents also looking up to you. It is this kind of example I was setting up. This is you trying to put this or plant this thing in the mind of the woman. We need to do certain points of the life. Now, certain mistakes happen. I want a marriage man, and yeah, it's of blaming the woman because women are the mistakes of every marriage. You understand what I mean?
Yeah. In Chirmuna, just say, Mamma, come back 5 years. See, very childish. Now, I never saw the other friend or permanent. I know, capture a say, or power become. I made a power become. Not as a Mitio Casima, a fat. Sasa you understand? It's very childish. One practice. And yes, I was a married. Our real Guna and Palani Manua, and they all kinds of say, and our papa said, Penny, and our boy you say, and our papa one day, and and just a purely this man, he's not a man, he's not being a man himself, he's being a woman. Man, this is childishness. I don't see any sense in what he's doing. Say, airport when I bema, you say, and a number of circumstances, no, say, Bema, dear, about Bema, now say, our real boy, as I say, that's now on train. It is if you want the child to be with you, I just talk to the lady, or Mina Bema, Mina, sister, to share Apolani, meet me, Jack Apolana, and Emma, because say, a good example, Apolani, sell or fear every no, Mina Bema, this is something that would be understood into why you go out telling the child all about certain things that is really not necessary for the child to know. The kind of education that we implanted in the life of the child is a big deal because, like I said, certain things we are picking. Children are not really dumb. When you sit your child down and you try to ask questions about certain life, or you think that your child shouldn't even know about that, the kind of answers that you get and sometimes will surprise you. You know,
surprise you. So what I say, this child, who of you can so no catastrophe so and free about it. So children pick up things, and these are the things that they stand by, these are the things that they make their they make it as their principle, and they use that to make certain decisions in their life. It's with your parents. Now set an example when you have children around that, be very careful of the kind of decisions you make around your children. Be very careful of the kind of examples you set around your children. You don't go by and just do anything. As childishness or power attacking me for this because I know some people watching you.
You know what because you are definitely discussable because I see it with family.
Yes.
Now you share man, they are what very emotional abuse. Just say and now here them and one accident or another time. Not very much so I neglect you. Yeah, at this hour. To the extent what packing with your man. Interview what shall I say on very money they crowd their friend. Do you think it's a good decision? Very man all good to approach very man no can't sell. Now what you fear and I say what funny said the be do dear. I can Bemani any respect more about it to the extent that was a pure hospital assembly a see anymore. Bemano one bear or banu. Every age say all catch was your bottom of banu could be your home. Look at this where a child the woman in question had no place to stay in the first place. And you didn't really care. One person that pray I pay the diamond at Snampo. Yeah, maybe that's all about money. Yeah, you could say a proper example, no, yet transfer bank to 7. That's what is alleged. And we know 3 days needed
the woman should not go to the man. Abuse no, abuse stories they are brave. And person come with some be. Into who knew you are you don't force yourself upon the person. Love is not something that is forced. Love is a feeling that comes by itself. Into a do baby, I see Nippon, we do baby now, or say want me no want na be no tree no yeah because my can be and abuse certain things we are being abused for
we die out of love.
You understand what we say we need to meaning once a man we are very smart certain things we buy a one we know say the way the baby do not can stay back but they be that about prayer desperation because of what society will say, because of what people will think about, because of what my family is going to conclude, because of the kind of thing that I have or the way I've presented myself to the society means I can't risk losing this particular relationship where we also at the end of the day you'll be saving your whole life. So as I said, because certain things we come to the know of it, but we will say that so the best enough about jeans and my son about public we shouldn't let certain things happen to us. They say, and the young people say, I pay me, mama, into the relationship. If the man wanted to make this work in the first place and cut over, since I'm in hospital, and I started and working out, and if not for anything, proper said, now. And KBA, 10 the movie, also packet of Yama, and fat and brown, said Joe Yama or Pamo, if you walk if you want the next ones, the young people, one for some one and family.
Yeah, that's Kevin. And it's your cousin, my natchez, and Beverly, I want you to natchez a pink or donut. Yes,
any actress or you're crossing you, and I do see I don't know, person.
Na odosana ato adabaha timin se baby discussion akwa koduru no ne eche na ne se be man o ka bibi indirectly na oba no so nye wise na ba dwetche nhia papa money they drop it our comment section of family after subscribe onye yes say too much too much dan da you want nyoma bebre e de ma to one more. Like in a share and promote a channel. Media any messy cow. That's the name the rest of Asia being my